Hi! In front of me is Nubia Red Magic 7S, and today I would like to show you how you can manage location of this device. First of all, you need to access Tap menu. Now look for location shortcut, and when you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is now gray. That means that location of this Nubia is disabled, but you can always enable it by clicking on the same shortcut once again. If you wish to, you can always go into settings as well and look for location section over here. Then click on it and manage location of this smartphone by tapping on the switcher next to use location feature. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!